submitted, I gave, searching for an a soul to save. Tears fall daily, a heart betrayed, faith misplaced in shadows where trust decayed. But I've seen the spark in the darkest dens, in the whore hotels and forgotten ends, strip clubs, honesty, a drug dens bleed more real than the mask they wear in Eugene. Oh, engine of light, divine and unseen, fuel my soul with nur so pristine. Through trials and whispers, I rise above, guided by Tawhid, by God's love. I left my family to prepare a place to shine Islam's light with boundless grace. A bridge for the lost, a beacon of truth, carving paths in the chaos of youth. Like prophets before me who stood alone, marked and betrayed but never overthrown. For every tear shed and every test passed, God refines us to make faith last. Oh, engine of light, divine and unseen, fuel my soul with nur so pristine. Through trials and whispers, I rise above, guided by Tawhid, by God's love. The soul's not mine, it's God's breath, animating life from birth to death. A channel of will through cosmic design, every thought in action by His light. Matter to energy, fire to clay, vortex cycles in divine display. The sacred cubit hums in harmonic tune, creation sings under God's moon. Oh, engine of light, divine and unseen, fuel my soul with nur so pristine. Through trials and whispers, I rise above, guided by Tawhid, by God's love. So here I stand, with a pen as my sword, replacing fakeness with truth restored. If this world won't listen or heed the call, let a new creation rise that fears God above all. Oh God, to you we return as dust or